Hi everybody, this is Craig the Water Guy. Hope you're all doing well today. Hey, if you're thinking about buying a General Electric water softener, please watch this video. I'm going to go over some comparisons with you and some options that these softeners offer you. What I did, I went to the General Electric website and searched their water softeners. And I brought up their most popular water softener based on reviews, as far as the amount of reviews that they have. And the one that is the most popular is the General Electric 40,000 gray water softener. This water softener, by looking at it, it's a cabinet model, so everything is enclosed in one, which to me tells me that the components, the electrical components, are exposed to salt water, which could cause damage over a period of time to the electronic components of this system. The system is also a downflow water softener, which means that it's going to use an average of 18 pounds of salt per regeneration and over 65 gallons of wastewater every time it regenerates, which is not unusual for your typical downflow water softeners. Now, I've also noticed that under your specs and details on the General Electric water softener is that the warranty. The system carries a 3-year warranty on the electronic monitor, which is basically your control valve. It carries a 10-year limited warranty on the brine and resin tank. Now, what I have found about the General Electric water softener is that if you have an issue with the system after the first year, you have to pay somebody to come out that actually has the parts on hand to repair it for you. And it does not cover the labor, which is pretty typical across the industry. Now, what I've done is I went to our website at qualitywatertreatment.com and I looked for the same size water softener. And what I've done here is I've gone to the SoftPro water softener page and I've clicked on the 40,000 grade system, which is the same system, size system that I'm looking at here at General Electric. So here's the General Electric 40,000 grade water softener, and here's the SoftPro Pura Optimus 40,000 grade water softener. Now, right off the bat, you can see that the SoftPro system is a 2-tank system. You have your mineral tank with your control valve on the top, and you have your brine tank next to it. So there is no salt water exposure to your electronic components because they are separated from each other. The other thing is that I noticed that the SoftPro water softener, the Pura here, is an upflow water softener. So it will save you and your family up to $220 a year in salt and water savings. I've also noticed that it has a 7-year control valve warranty. So as we scroll down here, we'll see that the descriptions. This is the reason why the SoftPro water softener is more efficient than the General Electric water softener. It has reverse flow regeneration with precision brining. Your traditional downflow softeners deplete the unused portion of the resin bed with every regeneration. It is like draining the gas tank in your car every time before filling it up. The SoftPro water softener offers reverse flow regeneration. It drives the hardest minerals up through the already depleted resin bed and out to the drain, saving both salt and unused portions of the resin bed for future use. It has precision brining, which saves additional salt by pre-baking only 70% of the brine where your General Electric water softener uses 100% of the brine. And just before the regeneration, the computer on the SoftPro system calculates the precise amount of brine to top off the needed regeneration, to only regenerate the depleted resin, which saves you an additional 30% of salt. Your General Electric softeners do not have this feature. The other thing the SoftPro water softener does, it has a municipal backwash cycle preset, which reduces the backwash frequency from clean water supplies. So the system doesn't do a full backwash every time it regenerates, which saves you quite a bit of wastewater. Better for your pocketbook and better for the environment. The system also has a sanitary system flush. So if you're not home using water let's say you go on vacation, the system will flush itself briefly to make sure no bacteria grows within the system. The system warranty, again, is 7 years on the control valve and lifetime warranty on the tanks. It's a superior warranty with General Electric, which again is 1 year, 3 years on the electronic control valve and 10 years on the tank. The thing about the SoftPro water softeners is that if you have an issue with the system, you have a company that is in the water treatment industry. That is all quality water treatment does. That's all we have done for over 33 years. So getting customer support with our systems is never an issue. If you have an issue with it, you're not going to have us come out to repair it for you. We have videos as well as expert support to walk you through the situation to get you back in soft water right away. The last and final thing I want to say about the difference between General Electric water softeners and SoftPro water softeners is that the SoftPro water softeners are third-party rated. The manufacturer builds these systems and sends them to a company called IAPMO. They have given our SoftPro water softeners, a platinum seal. IAPMO is a certification agency that takes these systems and puts them through stringent testing to make sure they're utmost quality. General Electric water softeners do not have a third-party rating. I hope that helps you make your buying decision today, and have a great day.